where it's going this way because of the different zones where the names are coming from. So you should be understanding. Then Deputy National Vice Chairman is His Excellency His Excellency Senator Tunde Ogbeha. That is National Vice Chairman for the North Central. This is Zonal Chairman for North Central. Assistant National Organizing Secretary, Hajia Nana Suleiman. National Vice Chairman, Diaspora, Senator Musa Elayo. Assistant National Youth Leader, Hassana Shaibu Dada. Hassana Shaibu Dada. That's the female youth. National Coordinator, Diaspora, Barrister Solomon Dalong. Assistant National Woman Leader, Hanatu Gagara. You sure here now? Then National Legal Advisor, His Excellency Professor Osarembe Osumbo. His Excellency former Governor of Edo State. National Deputy Chairman, Right Honorable Andrew Uchendu. National PWD Leader, His Excellency Dr. Chike Okobu.
Sorry, what else?
I've not read that. Okay, Deputy National Welfare Secretary, David Itokpa. David Itokpa, how are you? Shout from where you are. It's important, at times, when you get to some milestone, you need to do a small celebration. Here we talk about the leader of the PWD, and he's been one of the strongest faces of ADC. And he's been almost, if you call PWD a brand, at times, because of the power, the energy in him, the inspirational leadership in him, you can call him a brand. And it's a brand that does a lot of positive things. So it would be nice at this stage to just get Dr. Chike to say something. Dr. Chike Ogogu, the Harvard-trained leader.
With your kind permission, sir, can I come so that we can see the audience and people can relate?
Go ahead.
ADC, ADC, ADC. Now leg I not get, but I get mouth and I get brain. ADC. Wait. There is no better time to be alive than today. Martin Luther King says, and I quote, I have a dream. Martin Luther King said, and I quote, that I have a dream that one day our children will not be judged by the content of their character, will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I am proud to say today that my dream has come true, that ADC is not judging me by the content of my disability, but instead by the ability of my content. Persons with disabilities, we started from master-servant relationship. Later, we came to the table to sit down as equals. Today, ADC has scored a milestone where we are going to decide how the resources of this country will benefit everyone, including persons with disabilities. I rest for now, and I thank you all. And I thank you all. I thank you all. God bless you, sir.
Okay, who changed? We already mentioned that. National meeting, okay.
Yes, the next page.
National Vice Chairman, Diaspora, Godwin Ekandem. National Youth Leader, female, Honorable Chidiebere Ada Oku Okrika. Deputy National Treasurer, Senator Clever Ikisigbo. Deputy National Publicity Secretary, Conventional Media, Jackie Wires. Assistant National Woman Leader, Honorable Mrs. Baru Kai Solomon, PhD. Assistant National Organizing Secretary, Dr. Ben Smith. Assistant National Chairman, Honorable Usani Uguru Usani. Assistant National Youth Leader, Comrade Ebi Lade Ekerefe. Where's Sydney? I called you.
I think we just continue and finish.
No. Carry my phone on this. Where are we? Assistant National Youth Leader, Comrade Ebilade Ekerefe.
Yes. National Publicity Secretary, we have got that one.
National Publicity Secretary.
New media.
It's okay. We come to that. Ukando. Membership, Welfare Secretary, ADC, Nkem Okando. Assistant, National Vice Chairman Jafaru Ibrahim Sami. Assistant National Woman Leader Sarah Samuel. Deputy National Chairman, how dare I already said that. National Financial Secretary, Akibu Dalhadu. Assistant National Youth Leader, Dr. Nura Ibrahim. National Membership Mobilization Secretary, Senator Sadiq Yaradua. Assistant National Legal Advisor, Barrister Mustafa Shitu Mahuta.
Yes.
Then, no, where is the Southeast list? Where's Nkem?
He says he's not here, he's doing some welfare secretary job.
Please, let him get this thing. Come, Kando. Deputy National Chairman position is on standby for now. Then Deputy National Secretary, Barrister Chinedu Idigo. National Vice Chairman, Diaspora, Frederick Okpoto Owe. Assistant National Organizing Secretary, Wutobo Catherine. Deputy National Youth Leader, Comrade Chinonso Obasi. National Director, Aspirants College, Ambassador Fidel Anyogu. Ambassador Fidel Anyogu, please get your chair up here. Deputy National Auditor, Princess Nneka Nebo. Assistant National Secretary, Uche Ede. National Vice Chairman for Southeast Zone, Sabon Okechukwu Onachukwu.
Arise! Arise! Arise and shine Nigeria.
Assistant National Woman Leader, that's the Zonal Woman Leader, Barrister Anyanwu Chioma Joy. Zonal Publicity Secretary, Chilos Godsent. And take your chair up here. Where's in Kim? Where's in Kim? Where's the list for the Southeast?
I'm printing it, you just call me, the system is bad. But you sent it to my chat with you in the system.
Oh. I sent it to you. No, and this will continue doing and changing.
There are two names there, Barrister Carlo for...
Yeah. Assistant Legal Advisor, Barrister Carlo.
ADC! Arise! ADC! Arise! ADC! Arise!
What's the other name? Nkem.
The other name.
Okay. Dr. Chukwunonso, ask all of you, NEC, NWC, and all of us present here. I hope, what do we say to this brightest mind that we have, who will do this job for us?
We need to do the affirmation.
Carry go.
What do we say?
Carry go.
What do we say?
Carry go.
What do we say?
Carry go.
So, the A, carrying it, the mandate is well given.
Yes, sir.
Those in support, say yay.
Yay!
Those in support, say yay.
Yay!
Next, you gave us a job. And, sorry, those ones not in support, say nay. You gave us a job, and we've taken time to do the best. Did we do well?
Yes, sir.
Next, did we do well?
Yes, sir.
Very well.
So, a lot of us will be challenged in due course, and so on. But before we administer oath, I just want to have the single opportunity to address my people again. I said the best way of leading is when you lead from the floor.
Yes, sir.
To show that you can be a good public officer is when you lead from the floor, not when you lead, when you're a positional leader. Positional leader, when position gives you authority, it's not from the heart. But when you lead and serve people from your heart, you don't need authority to do so. But by the grace of God, we've appointed these people to lead us. We are going to support them with everything we have. And whatever we are doing before, I want to beg all of us, because this is the last time I'll be talking here. I want to beg all of us that we should do a lot more. And for me, and the National Secretary, Distinguished Senator, His Excellency, the National Secretary had a severe accident. He had an accident last week with his wife was in the car, and 3 of the children were in the car. they were rushed to the hospital. I was overseas when I was called. Immediately, I called the BOT, the chairman. Everybody went ahead to the hospital to make sure that they were treated, and the whole family came out. And from hospital, he came here to show the love he has for the party and for all of us. Yes. Having said that,
You didn't mention that the A is having that motion that you
okay, so I say, have we done a good job, and then are we endorsing these people? If you say yes, say A. Those in support, say yay. Those in support, repeat it, say yay. And those against, say nay. The A's, and as I said, the best way to serve, to know that you'll be a good anything, is when you serve people from your heart. So we want to appreciate you, and on this, I want to call one of the ablest lawyer I know.
Solicitor and advocate of Nigeria, pursuant to the Constitution of African Democratic Congress. Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the African Democratic Congress and the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the party, and love and always in the interest of the integrity. In the interest of the integrity. Solidarity. Advancement. Well-being. And solidarity. Of the party. And the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will try to pursue. Enhance. And implement. The aims and objectives of the party as contained in its constitution and manifesto. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official decisions. That in all circumstances I will do that. To all members and organs of the party, and to all manner of people according to law, without fear of fear, affection or evil, that I will not directly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as an officer of the party, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God. So help me God.
Hey, photo man.
Please, may leave the back now, please.
Am I watching now? Oh, do you
It's all right. Congratulations. Congratulations. Celebration with our nation. Congratulations. Please, this is enough. Let me see. Now our party be this, so we don't get another one. Now our party be this, so ADC, A, D, and C.